Hi sa lahat! Magandang gabi! Ngayong gabi, let's learn 10 Tagalog Adjectives. At siguro, ang ilan sa mga ito ay alam nyo na. Let's start! Una, first, gwapo. 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 Gwapo means handsome. Or you can also say, another word for gwapo ay pogi. Pogi. They both mean the same. Handsome. Pogi, or you can say, or you can use gwapo. Example, gwapo si Alan. Gwapo si Mark. Or gwapo ang kapatid ko. Or my brother is handsome. At second, siyempre, of course, kung may gwapo, if there's handsome, may maganda or beautiful. Beautiful, pretty, maganda. Maganda. Maganda ka. You're beautiful or you're pretty. O maganda ang bahay nila. Maganda ang bahay nila. Third one, matangkad. 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 Matangkad means tall. Matangkad ang kuya ko. Or my brother, my older brother is tall. Matangkad si Alan. Alan is tall. And fourth one, maingay. 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 Maingay, noisy. I'll just stay here. Maingay sa kusina. I'll just stay here. Maingay sa kusina. It's noisy in the kitchen. Maingay sa kusina. Or, maingay ang mama ko, nanay ko, or whatever you call your mom. Maingay ang nanay ko tuwing galit siya. My mom is noisy whenever she's mad. Mabait. Mabait. Mabait means good, kind, or nice. Example, halimbawa, mabait akong tao. I'm a good person. Mabait si Ana. Ana is a good person or Ana is a nice person. Matalino. Matalino. Matalino means intelligent. Matalino. Matalino ang kaibigan ko. My friend is intelligent. Matalino si Ana. Ana is intelligent. Maliit. 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 Maliit means small. Maliit na remote control. Maliit na perfume or maliit na pabango. Maliit na kahon o maliit na box. At sa loob ng maliit na box and inside the small box ay may maliit na bote. There is a small bottle. And we have pangit. 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 Ngit. Pangit. Pangit means ugly. Alam mo, pangit ka. Ikaw ang pangit. Maganda ako. Whatever. And also, I just want to add that you will also see this word or this adjective spelled E instead of I. Pangit. 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 And last two, we have masaya. 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 Ya. Masaya means happy. Masaya ako kasi wala akong problema. I'm happy because I don't have a problem. Last one for tonight, madaldal. madaldal. Madaldal is someone who is talkative. Madaldal, talkative, madaldal. Hindi ako madaldal. I'm not talkative. Madaldal si Jake. Jake is talkative. Bakit ka masaya? Masaya ako kasi wala akong problema. Ikaw, bakit ka masaya? Masaya ako kasi I have a friend na mabait at matalino. Sino? Ikaw, syempre. Yan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. Bye na!